Here's a short welcome speech. Good morning, afternoon, evening. Everyone, welcome to event, occasion. It's a pleasure to have each and every one of you here with us. Today, let's make this event, occasion memorable and enjoyable for all. Thank you for joining us. Here's another option. For a short welcome speech, ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to event, occasion. We're thrilled to have you here with us. Let's embrace this opportunity to connect, share, and create lasting memories together. Thank you for being a part of this special moment. Here's another variation. Hello, everyone. Welcome to event, occasion. It's fantastic to see such a wonderful gathering here today. Let's embark on this journey together, filled with purpose, theme. Thank you for gracing us with your presence, and let's make this event, occasion truly unforgettable.